Hi guys. So today we're continuing to look at that graphing the motion, okay? So I'm using this billiard ball to represent an object in motion, and my lovely table here is going to be my distance axis on your graphs. Here is the origin, so make sure you're making this left side the origin on your graphs, okay? So for my first motion, I'm going to start the ball over here. Graph that motion. You can pause the video now. Okay, so for our second motion, our ball is starting over here. Stop the video and graph that motion. For our third motion, the ball is going to stay right here. Pause the video and graph that motion. Okay guys, so for our next motion, we're going to start the ball up here. Stop the video and graph that motion. Okay, so similar to the last motion, we're starting the ball now on this side. Again, pause the video and graph that motion. So for our sixth motion, we're starting over here. Graph that motion. We're starting our ball over here for the seventh motion. Graph that motion and pause the video. So for our eighth motion, we're again starting over here, but now we're doing that full motion. So pause the video and graph that motion. So for our ninth motion, we're starting the ball at the origin. Graph that motion right there. Okay guys, so here's the challenge. If you can get this right, you will get a piece of candy this week in class, okay? Stop the video and graph that motion.